Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers on the market today: the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop and the COWSAR Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver refreshing ice for your drinks, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is priced at $209, while the COWSAR Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at $109. This significant difference in price may influence your decision depending on your budget and needs. In terms of ice production capacity, the Nugget Ice Maker can produce an impressive 35.5 pounds of chewable sonic ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for larger gatherings. On the other hand, the COWSAR Ice Maker produces 26.5 pounds of ice in the same time frame, which is still substantial for home use, but may not suffice for larger parties. Both ice makers come with self-cleaning features, making maintenance a breeze. The Nugget Ice Maker is designed for quiet operation and portability, making it suitable for home, office, or bar use. Meanwhile, the COWSAR Ice Maker boasts the ability to produce 8 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, which is great for quick refreshments. Depending on your specific needs, either of these features could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop and the COWSAR Ice Maker have their unique advantages. If you need a higher ice production capacity and are willing to invest more, the Nugget Ice Maker is a great choice. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option that still delivers quick ice, the COWSAR Ice Maker is an excellent alternative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.